was represented.
So this is the 9/11 Memorial Site and Museum. Not gonna show you all of the names of the persons who died, but yeah, the names are imprinted in it. So this person is Thomas E. Sinton, the third, I guess. This is the memorial site. And you know water represents peace. This is the other one. So this is where the other building was. So one for each building that was destroyed in 9/11. Bless up and respect. Thank you so much for joining Jamaica Walk By. So we're actually in Manhattan. You know what I mean? Manhattan. You understand? No joke. We're in Manhattan. And right about now, we're currently standing on Broadway Street. See? No joke. Or just Broadway. You understand? No joke, no doubt. So we're gonna give you a tour of Broadway in an hour time. Yes, I no joke. So if you're just joining, please, I'm asking you to subscribe to Jamaica Walk By. Please, I'm asking you to like the video as we go through like this. In a New York, as a Jamaican walking in a New York. You understand? No joke. Manhattan is beautiful, just like the movies. So we're currently gonna walk in that direction towards the Bull on Broadway. It's not a narrating video. We're just gonna walk and see the natural happenings as the town moves and the whole activities of being natural. You understand? No joke. So this is Broadway again, as I tell you. Yeah, and right there, so you have a Rector Street. So right down this road here is called Rector Street. See? Yeah, no joke. So let's go. Alright, see the white man here? Let's cross. So please, I'm asking you to subscribe if you're just joining, and please to turn on the notification. So that's an arrow right beside of the subscribe button. You can click that to be notified whenever I post a video. I don't post that often, so your phone won't be blown with notifications, just the ones them way me I post. I only post long videos, so no need to worry. Just subscribe. And always remember, please leave a comment and like the video. One love, respect always to all the persons who are watching right now. Big up and respect to all my Jamaica Walk by members. So to be a member, you can just click the link in the description and you don't know anything, but you get first hand to watch the videos and bunch of little perks as we deal with it. You see me, I say, no joke, no doubt, let's go.
So that's a 120 deal, right?
As you can see, center camera, you know the famous bull that you know right on Broadway. Yeah, so we'll go over the bull. Interesting facts about the bull here. You understand? They say tourists have weird tradition to get luck from the Wall Street charging bull. So if you want to get some good luck and them thing there, you come do some of this here over here at the bull from Broadway in a manner. You know what I mean? Some people go under, they go take picture and hold on the bull balls. Yeah. Yeah, that is it. What I realize is that the line long to take the picture like an official picture of the bull. You know what I mean? We take a picture with the bull for holding balls. Long line. Just to take the pictures. Yeah. So they call a bull the charging bull. Or they call the bull of Wall Street. Naughty. Yeah, bro.
You have some driving?
No, no right now, my general. Then they're Jamaica, you know. Could I bust up and now? I realize over here, set you know, bro. Things set away, you know, them things everywhere. Every corner you look, you see a smoke shop. Yeah. But we not.
Smoke shop everywhere.
Yeah. No joke. So you know, say, you look how start them now, make no money again. That done. Yeah. No, alright, yeah, that make no sense. But big up on no sense, eh? Mad thing. There's a YouTuber, Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. So you can subscribe to the thing. Yeah, man. Plus I walk out, man, I show them some parts, you see me? Yeah, now, I'm not live right now still. Yeah. You understand? You probably see me, if you ever see my last post. If you ever go on it and watch my last post, it's crazy. I have a viral video right now. We go on Jamaica Walk By. Check the last video.
That's 20K, nigga. Right,
Oh yeah, I hit my 200,000 today.
Is it 20K?
Yeah, look at that. I'm the one who filmed that.
Oh, you was there? Yeah, it was yesterday, right?
Yeah.
I heard he got shot. You got shot, right?
Yeah. So Jamaica Walk By.
I just read this shit.
Yeah. Probably saw it.
Where that girl them at? Oh my
God.
where you find them bitches at?
In there, just live in front of you. In there, everywhere over here, man.
My God.
And Jamaica, yeah. You never go Jamaica? Yeah. Your yard, man. You tell him before the yard.
Tell him all the time.
Yeah, before the yard, man. You see, you're a pretty boy, man, so you'll get you quick and your color high.
God.
Remember, say them down there rubber and the cream enough to reach for your color, you know? Yeah, if you get the ladies, them, you know, so if you get to your color, you know, naturally, and you touch down them and you run the road. I mean, I'm a general apart, you understand? Yeah. Yeah, man, no joke thing. So, subscribe to the thing and watch you go on. See? Respect our man as my teacher. Look, I'm going to do this and come up by road. I'm still up on it. Come up. Alright, we're going to take it easy. We're going to Wall Street. Alright. You want me to wait for the white man? You only cross and the white man's have to cross. Yeah, yes. Ah, you get it now. Yeah, I'm going to cross and the white man tell you to cross. Yeah, when you're there in a freedom place, I do what they say to do, you know? Or you leave. And you not leave yet, I do what them say, so I'm going to white man for cross. Yeah, man, no joke, no doubt. Yeah. So right now, let me see what the road name. Alright, so we turn off a Broadway a little bit. Yeah. Alright. So this is a Whitehall Street. Straight. With the Whitehall Street. So we are going to go up on Whitehall Street. Right here now. See me? Alright, see the white man there? Look come on, see? Alright. No, actually, we're wrong. This is called Beaver Street. Right. We're up on Beaver Street. Kingston here. So this is a Beaver Street. Oh, look at that. Yeah, massive. So, Beaver Street. Alright, so right now we just pull up on them call that street Board Street. Center camera, Board Street. It's Broad, yeah. Broad Street. Sorry, my bad. We're going straight across. Alright, fully time for cross. So we are heading to Wall Street. So we're still on Beaver Street. This is Beaver Street. Oh, we're at our Beaver Street. Beaver Street. We're going to head to Wall Street.
The other thing is when you send a text, it's like,
Alright. This is it. Alright. Look good. Let's go this way. We're gonna take a look and we're gonna walk the Wall Street and thing. Let me see how far this goes. Alright. Alright, there's another street. Alright. This is it. Walking across. This is William Street. Alright. Alright, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go at another point just to walk from an angle to show you Wall Street from another angle. Alright? So let's do it like this. Let's do it like this. Oh, here says blocked up. So. I don't want to pass this. This is so interesting. So we're actually on William Street and Beaver Street. Our Beaver Street financial district. Look good. This is actually like a street map. So this is us right here. See? Mad. No joke. Alright, let's go. Like seriously, have you get a chance to like walk like this in Manhattan? We just look on different places, different areas, how beautiful the places and stuff. Like wow, no joke. I have to enjoy life sometimes, man. Do some different thing. Take a walk, take a stroll. Sometimes you're just late. Really beautiful. Person lives there. Alright. So we are currently on Wall Street. So let me show you from a different angle. So all the massive when I normally hear about Wall Street. Yeah man. This is a video for you, believe me. Because as a youth growing up, I always hear about this Wall Street, especially in the movies and all of that. I never really get a chance to see it. So I say anytime I start travel, I go actually walk them place here. So people can actually see it, you know what I mean? Yeah. Let me read a little something. Is it? And this is actually by James Phelan. You know what I mean? So the general say there's so much hidden history about the financial district that you could you can actually spend a week here and not uncover everything. As Wall Street tour guide for over a decade, I'm here to tell you all about it. Whenever you're visiting New York for the first time or you've born and bred a New Yorker, some of these Wall Street secrets might surprise you. So I'm going to tell you a little bit of facts about Wall Street as we move along through this video. You see? Yeah. And we actually started when it comes on to the bull, which I'm calling him the bull of Wall Street that we passed not too long ago. You see me I say? Alright, so we actually there almost the end of Wall Street and we're going to walk to the other direction. You see me I say? No joke, no doubt man, on Wall Street. You see? So, when you're ready, let's take a look. Alright, so make we do that. Make we just go down here so as the white man come across. And let's do it like this. no idea what that sound means. Alright, so we're at the beginning of Wall Street. You understand? And over there so is a ferry. You can take the ferry and them thing that go to Staten Island. And that is it. You see me? No joke, no doubt. Take a good look. And you have the railway up here. Man. So it's weird. Alright. Let's just wait for cross. Yellow cab. Alright, time for the cross. Alright. So now is a great Wall Street as you can see. See? Yeah, let's do it like this. So we're gonna walk Wall Street and tell them a little bit about Wall Street as we move along. See? Yeah. So Wall Street, not a very long one, but for all them massive, them always get a really good description of Wall Street. Are they video this? Are you video this? Yes man, no joke. Yeah. Alright. So one of the facts about Wall Street, them say there was only one tree on Wall Street. You understand? And it symbolized the birth of the strongest financial system in the world. You understand? Yeah. So what them say? Dog waste kills the plant. So look good. So there was only one tree down here on that stretcher. You understand? And it symbolized the birth of the strongest financial system in the world. So now there's many trees. See? If we could have find the exact tree that used to be here, that would have been great. But unfortunately, I'm not sure which one of the tree it is. But there was only one tree. But now, whole heap of tree. Them plant up some right down here so. And they look like a tree, them only the right here so. See? And that is for Wall Street. Let's move along. So if you're just joining, we're currently walking Wall Street right about now. See? No joke, no doubt. And we actually walk on Broadway and we head down on Beaver Street. You understand? And we're up on Wall Street, you know. See? Yeah. Go. So then said the tree actually located in front of the New York Stock Exchange. And they say it isn't a big tree in terms of size, but it represents an argument that eventually led to billions of dollars in trades. You hear that? Mad thing. Oh, sorry. Get that right. Excuse me, where's the stock exchange building? Do you know? That way. Alright, I'm on the right track. Thank you so much. Yeah. I'm actually on something else, so I never switch to the map. Yeah, let's ask a little question. Nothing wrong with that. So we'll wait for the white man. Alright, to the white man there. Let's go. So pretty much everything about this place just signify money. You hear that? A big dollar sign there. Hey, let me catch it. Let me catch it. See this? Everything signify money. Big dollar sign. Wall Street. Let's go. One of the things I realized too, right, you know, I'm not supposed to can't count the amount of person with dogs, so it seems like a lot of persons in the area love them dogs, and they come like they have people who walk them dogs to them. That I realize, so correct me, they have some dog walking system, but a whole heap of people say them dogs, a walk dog. That must be a cool job. So another interesting fact about Wall Street is that, let me say, listen, the Federal Hall National Memorial Site, and I sit, alright, sorry, let me read that again. The Federal Hall National Memorial sits on the site where George Washington was spun in as the first ever president. You know, hear that? I know I'm going to read it again. Let me read it again as a fact. It said the Federal Hall National Memorial sits on the site where George Washington was sworn in as president. And I'm going to show you that building. It should be this building right here, but let's go to the front of it. Oh, it should be you and me, love and free, never at the moment. Be strong. Wall Street subway station. See? Wall Street service station, sorry. Alright, let me show you something I know. Look good, center camera. Alright, so center camera. That nice arrow looking place there. See it there? I mean say it's not a narrating video, but I'm just telling you some little facts. You see it? Right in the center, if you're there in the road, you see it. Right in the center there. So. Yeah, let's talk about it. Let me tell you something about it. So it's called the Trinity Church. So they say it's the third one that sits on that very, very same site. So it stood there for a long time. You know what I mean? And they say it's a third one. You see me? I say, so it look like first one mash up and build it back, and then it mash up again, and then build it back. So they said it's called the Trinity Church. Is the third one that stood on that very site. See? So a lot of persons just come here and take picture. See? Alright. Let's go. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Oh, now me figure out what are these. So these are pretty much temporary roadblocks. So on certain occasions it seems like they can open it and certain vehicle can drive down this section. And it have wheels so it can move. How cool is that? So see this one drop, so we can walk through it. Yeah, whoa, it's solid, it's strong. Alright, look at this view. Beautiful. Alright, massive. So I was telling you about this earlier. You understand, which is the Federal National Memorial Site. They look like them actually are working on it right now as we speak. You don't know. And as I said to you earlier, the Federal National Memorial Site sits on the site where George Washington was born and sworn in as president. You understand? You see me? I'm sworn in as the first president. So see statue there? That is it. Look good. So they're actually doing some renovation or thing right now on this site. So this is what it looks like in an hour time as them work on it. Whoa, yo. So this is actually a real historical spot right now. Beautiful. Alright. So this center camera, as you can see the sign, this is the New York Stock Exchange building. The New York Stock Exchange building. A mad thing. Yeah. Alright, no June. So this is Wall Street.
It's only 3 feet tall. Look.
Oh, I was looking for it. Oh yeah, there it is. I just saw it. It's small, very small. So I got mixed up.
No worries.
Thank you so much. You too. Alright, I was looking for this. Alright. So this statue right here, that says the house of Morgan now sits neglected. This statue right here. Alright, so let me give you a little interesting fact about this statue right here. Listen good. So they say that this bronze sculpture by Kristen Visbal stands with pride on Broad Street across from the New York Stock Exchange building. The statue is of a young girl called Fearless Girl. It was installed on March 7, 2017 in anticipation of International Women's Day the following day. That is it. Beautiful. Yeah, see this lady got it exactly right. Perfect. Man. So right in front of the New York Stock Exchange building. Wow. Some fact, right? Yeah. All right. So the New York Stock Exchange building. They say it's by the New York Stock Exchange building is by far the world's largest stock exchange. So they say if you rank it by market capitalization, it is of its listed companies. The New York Stock Exchange traces its origins back to the Bretton Woods Agreement signed by those 24 stockbrokers. The signers listed their name, company and address, forming the basis of New York Financial District. Yeah. So we just move through. See? No joke, no doubt. Let's go. So again, we're on Wall Street. Thank you, sir. That's it.
Thank you.
That is it.
Are the dog dying over there?
What was supposed to be today?
Yeah. So one more time for Wall Street. So that was Wall Street. Wow. That was super cool. A few little facts about Wall Street. I hope you enjoy that. You know what I mean? Yes, man. That is it. Nice. There's so many dogs. Martin.
No, but I'm excited to see your place.
Yeah, so I hope you all enjoyed the video. That was a nice walk of Wall Street and Broadway. You know what I mean? So it was beautiful. So Wall Street and Broadway, and we went on
Parliament.
Beaver Street or Beaver Street. I think that's how it's pronounced. I think so. It's great. So yeah, man, big up and thank you guys so much for watching. Blessings and respect. Stay tuned and watch other videos on the channel as we walk and do a few series in a manner. You don't know in our time. So if you love the video, please my beg if you like it, and just drop your comment inside of the comment section. We could hear your thoughts as to what you think about Wall Street. There's so much facts about Wall Street, but as we say, it is not a narrating video, and we just talk a little bit about the history and thing. You see me? So we're actually back on Broadway and thing. So yeah, big up and respect, much love.
Hey.
I wish I could.
Number one is too hot and
a massive center camera. As you can see, that beautiful building. It's one of the tallest buildings in Manhattan. You understand? I did a video, full tour of touring it on the channel. It's like the new World Trade Center. So right down there, so it's actually where the World Trade Center Memorial Garden is. So the true name for the tower is called the Freedom Tower. You understand? It's very beautiful. I'm just gonna take a small walk down there and let you see what it looks like, and to show you the memorial site of the persons that died in the Twin Tower in 9/11. Alright? Yeah. So these are called bonus now, because the purpose of the video was to walk Wall Street, give you a little bit of fact about Wall Street, even though it's not a narrative video. But it's beautiful and the climate is really nice. So with us a walk through, I'm just gonna show you a little bit of it. Look at the beauty. Yeah, so let's go as soon as we can cross. Time to go. Beautiful place. Look at this. So they call this the Apple World Trade Center. That's what they call this place. So there's malls, there's shops, there's so much things inside of it. It's beautiful. Very beautiful. Whoa. And then you have the World Trade, pretty much the new and improved tower. Let me show you a little look of what is going on inside of this building here. Take a look. Good day, my brother. I'm not sitting, I'm just looking. I'm not sitting. Just, yeah. I saw you clean it, so I'm saying good day. So just wanted to show them a little bit what it looks like. So this is a massive building and it's underground. Yeah, nice. This guy is cleaning. You know? Yeah. So let's show you the memorial site real quick. gonna look up there. So the memorial site is where the Twin Tower was. The memorial site. That's where the Twin Tower was. Alright, let me show you something before we go to the memorial site. I'm gonna give you a little look of what in here looks like. Oh, it's a heavy look. Oh, this is it. See what I'm saying? Loads of stores. Big up to Lester that took me here for the first time. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. It's massive. Alright, let's go. Hold on, let me take a picture. Alright, so we're going to the memorial site.
Es el botón del dedo. Next weekend and hopefully it's gonna be nice.
Alright, so to the memorial site. Beautiful, very different design. You know what it looks like to me? You know the alien in Aliens, or better yet, Alien vs Predator. It looks like that. I don't know. For some reason, that's the look it gives me. Yeah. So this is the memorial site where the World Trade Center is, and it is two of them. So one is here and one is down the other, well, over on that side. You know? So yeah, let me show you. So this is the 9/11 Memorial Site and Museum. Not going to show you all of the names of the persons who died, but yeah, the names are imprinted in it. So this person is Thomas E. Sinton. the third, I guess. This is the memorial site. Ain't no water represent peace. One of the building was right here. The other one is over here. Let me show you the other one. Alright. And this is the other one. So this is where the other building was. So one for each building that was destroyed in 9/11. Oh no, that's my name, Alan. Samantha L. That's very Alan. Man.
Yeah. Where's the camera?
What is
Now
it?
they're trying to figure out what you have, yes.
Oh, I wanted to see it. Oh, it's a camera. It's a
They
camera.
come here, yeah, it's a
Yeah.
camera.
It's a tiny little thing.
It's a tiny little thing, yeah.
But it comes in a shoot
Yeah.
volcano.
Yeah, beautiful. Yeah, it's a DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Man, it's great. Alright, so bless up, respect. Thank you guys so much for watching. Enough love, enough respect. And this is a 9/11 memorial site, and it's just beautiful. Yeah. So big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch this walking down off Wall Street. We are at the memorial site here in Manhattan, well, downtown Manhattan, you know what I mean, which is the 9/11 spot. So I just want to thank you everybody for watching, and if you enjoy the walk, please like the video. You understand? If you can relate to what's happening here, you can actually subscribe and leave your thoughts right in the comment section. You understand? No joke, no doubt. So remember, good. Subscribe to Jamaica Walk By. That's it. You see me? One love, peace, and respect in all aspects. You know what I mean? No joke, no doubt. Let's go. Stay tuned, watch other videos. Mad thing.